This is a tutorial on how to use Screencastify. If you do not already have Screencastify installed, you are going to want to make sure that you install it. So now it can only work on Chrome browser. So you want to make sure that you are in Chrome when you are installing it. And you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Screencastify. If you are not sure if you have it installed or not, you can look in your extension menu, which is right next to the URL, and you're looking for this icon right here, okay? So once you have it installed, the first time that you use it, it's gonna ask you to allow for a bunch of different permissions. It's gonna ask you for the microphone access and camera access. And in order to do a screencast, you're gonna need to allow this permission. You also wanna make sure that it is backed up into your Google Drive. I believe that is the default, so you should be okay with that. Now, when you're ready to do the recording, there are a few options that you can use to record, and you just have to think about, okay, well, what am I going to record? And that will tell you how you can record. If you are going to be staying on a specific screen, you will want to select your browser tab. And you're not going to move back and forth between different screens. You can also notice that you have the option to embed your webcam, which is something that you'll want to do, just so the audience can see who you are and get to know you a little bit. There is also the desktop option, which will allow you to move back and forth between different tabs very easily. And then also, if you have something that you're showing that's not on a web-based thing, like a Microsoft Word document or an application that you want to show, that is, you're going to want to use the desktop option. And then, of course, there is the webcam only option. If you're going to talk just you, it's going to be your face. So those are the different options for recording. You have some drawing tools that you can use if you want. It's mostly for instructional purposes. And when you're done with the recording, you're going to hit the little stop button. And then it's going to open up in a new tab, and you are going to be able to copy the shareable link that's over here. And just if you click on more options, it's going to show you what the sharing permissions are. And you want to just make sure that it is shared with anyone with the link can view.